What's up, guys? This is Will H of Will H Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today, I'm going to be taking a look at the Soundcore by Anker Liberty 3 Pro True Wireless Noise Canceling Earbuds. So I picked on Prime Day for $89.99. I picked up the gray color one, but they come in 3 other colors as well. These are going to come in the frost white, the dust purple, and the midnight black. The midnight black I've already did a video on before. I'll link that down below where I go into a little bit more detail about these. This video is just going to be unboxing and showcasing the fog gray ones. That's what I picked up. Like I said, I picked these up on Amazon.com. When I got them, $89.99. The price right now for the white, purple, and gray are going to be $169.99. For the midnight black ones, you can get those for $118.99. So here's the packaging that it comes in. Like I said, this is going to be just an unboxing. As you guys see, Soundcore by Anker, Liberty 3 Pro, True Wireless Noise Canceling Earbuds, High-Res Audio, Wireless, Uncompromising Treble and Bass, Exceptional Comfort. These are going to feature ANC 2.0, Hear ID ANC, and up to 32 hours of total play time. And on this side of the box, you got that ANC 2.0. It's going to tell you about the 2.0 there. On the back, here's some more specs. You got Astral Coaxial Acoustic Architecture 2.0, Hear ID Active Noise Canceling, up to 8 hours playtime, 32 hours with charging case, Ultimate High-Res Experience, 6 mics, AI uplink noise reduction. And this is going to work with Apple and Android. And these are recommended by up to 20 Grammy-winning audio producers. So let's get into the packaging. I'm going to get this plastic off and then we'll take a look at them. All right, guys, so we're back in. The plastic is off. The box looks very nice without all that plastic shiny on there. So to get into the box, you're just going to grab it from this side. And for what I remember, the presentation is awesome on these, and it still is, just a different color. So you're going to have your earbuds over here, the charging case, carrying case. You're going to have all of your ear tips and the wings. They give you four sets of ear tips and 3 sets of wings. You're going to get your instructions on how to get a perfect fit here. And then on this side, you do have this slide out piece here that's going to show you your charging cable, which is going to be Type A to Type C. And also within this packet, you're going to have your instructions, your quick start guide, your safety and regulatory information, and then a little survey card there as well. Let's get this stuff back together here. And here we are. So let's go ahead and take a look at the earbuds. Like I said, this time around I went with the fog gray, and so far I like them. I do like this color. Don't know if I like it better than the black ones, but my intentions was to order the white ones, and I must have pushed the wrong button when I was checking out. But the gray ones are not bad at all. So taking a look around the gray one, you guys see you got an R there. I'm not sure if that stands for right. You got a mic. You got look like another sensor here. You got your points here for charging, and then you're gonna have their logo with another mic. Now these are touch sensitive, and the touch works pretty great on them. Here's the left one. The left one is you got L2 there and R2 right here. So left and right, they are marked left and right. I'm not sure what the red R is there. So those are the earbuds. Let's take a look at the carrying case. And this is very nice. It has that gray color. You're going to have your Type-C charging port. You got your button for activating Bluetooth. You're going to have some LED sensors on the front of it. Right there. It's going to tell you just how much battery power you have. And on the inside of it, there's your contacts for charging. I guess that red R that's in there is to let you know that it matches up with this side. So placing them in the charging case, carrying case, is just that simple. Very nice sliding mechanism. You guys see, it's going to give you your percentage in the case. And very nice, man. So very compact. Very look like it's very easy to put in your pocket. I know it is because I had them before. As you guys see, there's some LED indicators on the inside of the case as well. And these are magnetized and they're not going to fall out. So very nice. I do like this color. It's going to grow on me. It's a little bit different color gray than I thought it was going to be, but they're not bad. They're not bad. And like I said, the touch sensitivities on these are great. From what I remember before, if you want bass, these are going to be very bass heavy. The mids and highs were great on these as well. Watching videos, YouTube and movies and things, there was no latency that I remember. And these also have a great transparency mode, which is very important to me because I like to be able to hear my surrounding as well. So here they are. I'm going to go ahead and put the small tip on them. I'll show you a picture of these in my ear, let you get an idea what they look like. And I'm probably going to change the wing out to the smallest wing as well. So let me do that and come back to the video. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have the smaller tips on here, and also I've changed the wings out to try and get the best comfort for my ears. The last time I had these, they weren't very comfortable. I have very small inner ear canals. So if this time they don't work, then I'm going to go ahead and just order some different tips that may make these more comfortable for my ears. But I'm going to go ahead and pair them to my Z Fold 3 since that's my daily driver. I'm going to download the Soundcore app and go through the hearing. There's a hearing test part of it where they do their best to get these paired up for the best sound to your ears. Like I said, these are heavy bass. The mids and highs are great. I'm not an audiophile. You can go out there and find people like El Jefe or Digital Slang. They can give you a more detailed review of these as far as sound quality and great colors. So, all right, guys, this is my unboxing of the Fog Gray Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm Will H. Let's go ahead and put these in this case, man. Let them shine here. Look at that. I'm out.